A beautiful hardcover cookbook containing all the family and fan favorites from the popular stay-at-home chef website. Rachel Farnsworth, also known as the stay-at-home chef, has long been known by her fans and followers as someone who is relatable and down-to-earth, but her recipes are what really make people fans. The Stay-at-Home Chef Family Favorites Cookbook is a complete cookbook that includes all of Rachel's family and fan favorites. Featuring traditional favorites like smothered pork chops and baked meatloaf, as well as less traditional favorites like lasagna-stuffed chicken and brown butter garlic angel hair pasta. This complete cookbook will cover every meal for every occasion, from breakfast to dinner and everything in between. With recipes for main dishes along with salads, sides, breads, soups and stews, as well as cakes, cookies, and other sweet treats, current fans and new followers alike will find everything they expect from one of YouTube's most popular home cooks. Find the link below and buy the book now.